Hello everyone. Today we're going to review the best workbench light available to buy. We've made a list of the top 5 garage light solutions. To know more about these lights, follow the links in the description. Let's get started. Sumco Lighting 2-Pack Industrial LED Shop Light. The Sumco Lighting LED Shop Light is a top-rated commercial-grade lighting solution for workshops, garages, and industrial spaces. To illuminate your workbench or garage, these lights provide a 5000 K color temperature and produce an ample 4000 lumens per light. The light is easy to install with clear instructions and included mounting hardware. You can mount these 4-foot-long lights to the ceiling surface or suspend them with the included hanging hardware and chain. To control the lighting, you'll get an on-off pull switch with an included chain that can hold up to an industrial setting far better than string. It can be linked up to 4 lights together for energy savings. With an ENERGY STAR certification and a 7-year warranty, the product is reliable and high quality. Barina LED T5 Integrated Single Fixture. The Barina LED light is perfect for a variety of lighting applications. With a brightness of over 2200 lumens, these lights provide bright, clear illumination. They consume only 20 watts of power, making them energy efficient and cost-saving. The 6500 K color temperature of these lights gives a super bright white light. Thus, they're ideal for use in garages, storage areas, workbenches, basements, homes, under cabinets, and offices. Using seamless connectors or 20-inch connector cords, you can connect up to 8 tube lights together, allowing for versatile lighting configurations. The plug-and-play design makes installation easy, with snap joints included to hang the lights and a simple plug-in setup to turn them on. Kaimato Illuminator 360 LED Light LED Garage Lighting. With its 3 adjustable aluminum heads, each containing 48 LED chips, this garage light is capable of producing 6000 lumens of 6000 K triple glow daylight. This makes it 100% brighter than any light bulb you may have tried, making it feel like daytime even in normally dark garages. We are impressed with its adjustable design. The wings of the light can be adjusted to a 90-degree angle, allowing for easy positioning to achieve the perfect lighting distribution curve. Moreover, installation is a breeze. The light fixture fits into any open E26 socket and only requires a ladder and your hand to install. In terms of durability and energy efficiency, this workbench light is made with a safe premium PC housing and a hollow-out structure for improved cooling. The upgraded aluminum alloy panel provides a sturdy and long-lasting design, while also saving up to 85% energy compared to traditional garage light bulbs. Additionally, the LED bulb doesn't get as hot as CFL and other types of bulbs, making it safer to use for extended periods. AVNLO Super Slim LED Ceiling Light Fixture. Featuring a powerful brightness output of 3100 lumens and 5000 K daylight, the AVNLO Flush Mount Light Fixture is an excellent choice for illuminating any space. This light is made with a super slim design. The thickness is only 0.6 inches, making it an ideal solution for those looking for a sleek and modern look. Moreover, the surface mount design is also very easy to install. Simply install the base to the ceiling, and then screw the ceiling light fixture on the base. The AVNLO Flush Mount Light Fixture is also a dimmable option, allowing you to adjust the brightness from 10% to 100%. Additionally, the smooth triac dimming feature ensures no flickering or humming, providing good protection for your eyes. High-quality 5000 K LED Shop Light. The 5000 K LED Shop Light provides a brightness of 4200 lumens and a color temperature of 5000 K daylight. Thus, this is ideal for tasks such as working on cars, woodworking, or doing laundry. Despite its brightness, the light is energy efficient, using only 42 W, which is a 70% reduction in energy usage compared to a 2-lamp fluorescent fixture. The light is ETL certified, which means that it meets high standards for quality, safety, and reliability. It is built to last, with an expected lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, so you won't have to worry about frequent maintenance. Moreover, the LED shop light is also linkable, allowing you to connect up to 6 lights together, which makes it a great choice for larger spaces. This is the end of the best workbench light review. After watching this video, we hope you'll be able to find your best garage light solution. Thanks for watching.